Sup guys, here we are in a new video, and this video I'd like to share with you the cheapest and coolest headphone I've ever bought. Earlier I've made a full video on this, but I haven't said anything serious because I haven't used it for a long time, so I can't give a feedback on that. But right now I'm going to tell you all about this headphone and why it's worth buying. So after using it for a couple of months, I then realized this is very cheap for the price. So I bought this headphone for video and audio editing, but mostly to make my desk look better. As I said earlier, this is one of the cheapest headphones I've ever bought, but there is no brand name or logo. But clearly you can see here the seller's name is Lenovo Direct Store. So I bought this couple months ago and it cost $4.98. So I bought this one in color white. It have a very amazing and simple design. It also have a long cable with a volume controller attached. And also you do have a microphone. The microphone isn't bad. Let's do a microphone test. So here we are. This is the audio directly from the headphone, and I'm sure this kind of sounds okay. Not the best though, but it's okay. The microphone isn't that bad at all. So this is just the microphone test. The air cushions is really soft. You can adjust the headphone for perfect fit, and it's very flexible. When it comes to sound, this sounds great for its price, but you can't compare it with the expensive headphones out there. You can get this for gaming, beginners especially, video or audio editing, listening to music or something like that. Some advantages with wired headphones is you don't need to charge it, it's always ready on the go. If you want one of these headphones, I will leave links in the description of this video. Make sure to go check out. And that's all for the video. This headphone is very well worth it. Make sure to go check out. If you are a new viewer to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. And until then, I'm gonna meet you guys in the next one. Yes.